In this video, I wanted to share how you can use necklaces as an alternative accessory to put on your purses, like I have shown here. On my very favorite Coach tote is my rose quartz owl and freshwater pearl necklace. So cute. I put my giant pawa shell and titanium coated quartz necklace on here if you want to make a bigger, more statement-y, colorful statement when you're out there, but wanted to show this too. This is if you want to do something a little bit more dainty. It's my pink kunzite and sterling silver and quartz moon bracelet. If you just want to add just a little flair, not too much, but still something that definitely shows off your style, and also an alternate way to, use a bracelet. This is where I layered a couple pieces together, my amethyst nugget bracelet and my amethyst triple point and rose quartz toggle necklace, for a little bit of extra style, a little bit of, heavy metal, as it were. Yeah, for just something, whatever.